Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. Today we're getting in the mood for some spring cleaning with this exciting new addition to RYOBI's cleaning range. This is our MAX POWER Brushless Easy Clean Power Washer, the most powerful handheld power washer on the market. The MAX POWER Brushless Easy Clean looks in design very similar to our 18-volt 1 Plus power washer, but this power washer is part of our MAX POWER range, giving you 36 volts of power and double the runtime versus our 18-volt unit. That's some serious cleaning. Easy clean by name, easy clean by nature. This is the perfect companion for any portable cleaning tasks. Just click in any MAX POWER battery and you're good to go. Whether it's cleaning down your car closer to the home or your bike up a mountain, this is the tool for the job. So what's in the box? Every Easy Clean product comes with the Easy Clean, a lance and a 3-in-1 nozzle, all with quick connect attachments. This unit also comes with an auxiliary handle for added comfort. You'll also get our 6-metre siphoning hose with a float and built-in filter. This allows you to siphon water from freshwater sources, such as lakes or your water butt, meaning you don't need to be near a tap or hose to use it, giving you that true cleaning portability. Finally in the box, our 2-litre universal bottle adapter, perfect for quick cleans at the end of a day trip. Depending on the kit you've purchased, you may also find a MAX POWER battery and charger included. If not, don't worry. Like all our MAX POWER tools, this product is compatible with any MAX POWER battery. The 36-volt Easy Clean comes with 3 speeds, which means you can adjust the pressure depending on what you're cleaning. In speed 1, you will get 7 bar of pressure. This conserves runtime, meaning you can wash for longer. Speed 2 is 22 bar. Now this is great for those awkward bits of mud that usually need a bit of extra elbow grease to get out. High speed 3 reaches 41 bar of pressure. This is full power mode, ideal for cleaning cars, caravans and fresh dirt off patios. And finally, like all our Easy Clean range, this tool has an IPX5 rated battery compartment, which means if it gets wet or caught in some rain, there's no need to worry. The MAX POWER Brushless Power Washer is a multi-purpose tool for both everyday jobs around the house and adventure-filled trips away. With our ever-expanding accessory range, there's no doubt you'll find the perfect add-on to enhance your cleaning experience, from brushes, misting kits, or detergent bottles. Make sure you check out the RYOBI website to find our full range of cleaning tools.